Hello everyone, as you can see, the board is now connected with my laptop, and now I use the Eclipse to download the code to the hardware. I'm now using showing the debug mode of single layer. Let's see the results. Is the first image's result, and it is the second image's input, and then output, and then the result, and then the third one's input. The output, and then the result, the input, the last one's input. Output, and then the result. Okay, let's stop it. I have already stopped it, and let's see clearly the results. As you can see, it's the first one. And it's the second one. It's the third one. And it's the last one. And now let's see the performance mode. Performance mode. If I choose it as 1, and the debug is 0. Let's run it again. It's downloading now. It's performance mode, as you can see. We can see the detected coordination, and then the second one's detected. And then the third one. And the first one, and the total time. See my RTOS code. And let's first see the debug mode. Most things are the same as single layer, especially for the mailbox and the semaphore to transform the data, as we can see. And you can see my board is now connected with my laptop. Let's run this project and see the debug mode. It's now downloading to the hardware. the input of the first image. Then the second image. Output. The third one. Then the last one. Okay, let's pause the process and see the results clearly. As you can see, the position is here and the time is here. The input, the results, the output, then the input, the result, then the output, time, and then the last picture's input, the results, and the output. Okay, thank you. Performance into 1 and debug into 0. And then let's see the RTOS code debug mode. And then as you can see, the board is connected with my laptop. Let's run it again. And see the debug mode. And see the performance mode. It's downloading to the hardware again. And the first one's result. And then the second one's. And then the third one's. And then the fourth. Let's pause it. It's performance mode. Sometimes it's not stable in this environment. Let's hope it will go well. It will go well. As you can see, the CPU 3 disappears, but it does not influence the results. CPU 0 is running now, and then it finished. I set it to 200 images. As we can see, the first image results is this one, and then the second one, the third one, and then the last one. In total, it's around 1 second, so we almost fulfill the requirement. And the board is connected with my laptop, and now I enable the debug mode. Let's see here. and I'll run it. In order to see the result clearly, I make it to be bigger screen and wait. Here is the input. I print the input grade input in CPU 0. However, the CPU 4 did not work, so I have to run it again. Let's make it. Let's wait for a moment. See. Okay. It's downloading. It's the input. I print the grade input in CPU 0. And then the result separately for 4 images. And we can see the grayscale output separately in CPU 1 and to CPU 4, and then it's CPU 2. But there is no circle. And then CPU 3. We can see the circles here, here, and here, here. It can be used to debug and count the coordination. And then let's see the CPU 4. It's only half of the circle, so it does not include a complete one. And then let's see the performance mode. I will change it into 0 and then save it and then run it again. Let's see the results. I set 4 and it's per image almost fulfill the requirement, and it's the result of the last debug mode. And if I can also set the image into 2000 or 1000. I decide to change it into 2000. And then run it again. Let's see the time and throughput. It's downloading now. Yes, it's running. Oh, the time becomes larger. It sometimes will have some changes. I want to try it again. Maybe the next time it will not need so much time. This time is shorter, and then decide to run it for another time. The time sometimes changes, but almost fulfill the requirement. Thank you.